Swanson pot pies emerged as a beloved staple in American households during the 1950s, offering families an effortless and satisfying meal option that required minimal preparation. They symbolized the convenience sought during the bustling post-war era. Transitioning to the culinary creativity of the time, molded vegetable salad exemplified the innovative spirit of the era. Its unique texture and vibrant presentation showcased how cooks eagerly experimented with ingredients to delight their families, leaving a nostalgic imprint on mid-century dining. In a similar vein, salmon loaf became a cherished comfort food, cleverly combining pantry staples into a nutritious yet economical dish. It gained favor among homemakers for its simplicity and versatility, but its decline in popularity mirrors the evolving culinary trends and accessibility of different ingredients. Moreover, stuffed peppers offered an easy preparation method and the advantage of being made in large batches. This makes them a convenient choice for busy families seeking time-saving solutions throughout the week. Furthermore, the harmonious blend of flavors found in stuffed peppers, juicy beef, tender rice, and melted cheese has historically made them a favored dish at dinner tables across the nation. Despite this rich culinary heritage, contemporary diners often lean towards quick, ready-to-eat meals, steering away from traditional home-cooked recipes like stuffed peppers. This shift reflects broader changes in dining preferences. In terms of elegance, aspic, crafted from robust meat stock, became a culinary sensation that enhanced special occasions with its versatility and sophisticated presentation, enriching the dining experience. On the other hand, beef Wellington epitomized sophistication in the culinary world, becoming a preferred choice for elegant dinners. However, its popularity has gradually waned in the face of modern dining trends and the complexity involved in its preparation. Similarly, chicken a la king gained traction mid-20th century for its comforting flavors and ease of preparation, yet it has since receded from culinary prominence. Casseroles, conversely, blossomed into a cherished staple in American kitchens. They provided convenience and comforting flavors for busy families, often incorporating canned soups and various proteins to create hearty meals. In the 1970s, Watergate salad became a popular dish, merging pistachio pudding, pineapple, and marshmallows. Its striking green appearance ensured it became a favorite at potlucks and family gatherings. Additionally, gelatin desserts, known for their vibrant colors and playful shapes, held a prominent place at gatherings. Home cooks showcased their creativity using molds to transform liquids into delightful treats. Chicken tetrazzini emerged as a comfort food following World War II, featuring a creamy pasta casserole that quickly became a household staple. Its rich flavors and straightforward preparation contributed to its widespread popularity. Liver and onions, once a beloved classic, showcased tender liver sautéed with caramelized onions, delivering a robust flavor profile. Its decline in popularity speaks to changing dietary preferences and evolving culinary trends. Echoing this sentiment, beef stroganoff, featuring tender beef in a creamy sauce, was a favored dish in the mid-20th century. Today, however, it has faded into culinary obscurity, leaving behind nostalgic memories for those who once savored its comforting flavors. Baked Alaska, a dessert that once garnered acclaim for its dramatic presentation, combined ice cream with cake, all topped with a brown meringue. The preparation involved high-temperature baking, ensuring the ice cream maintained its texture. Originally crafted to celebrate the statehood of Alaska, Baked Alaska soon became a favored option for special occasions and elegant dinners. Its striking visual appeal often turned it into the centerpiece of dessert menus. Despite its previous acclaim, Baked Alaska is now regarded as a nostalgic relic from the mid-20th century. This decline underscores the shifting preferences in dessert choices over the years.